Hey Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today for a quick Tuesday morning haul. I got some Christmas goodies and some fun ephemera to play with. So I will start off with my Heidi Swapp goodies. So from Heidi we got this little house and that is $1.49. And I just thought this would be fun to decorate, put and make a little ornament out of. And then I got these tassels or garland. They were $1.99. 198-4322 is the product locator number for that. And then I saw some neat Christmas stuff. So American Crafts had these tags. They were $1.99, and there are 4 different tags that are in that. You've got the black tag with the snowflake, the green Let It Snow, the red Christmas tree, he's upside down, there you go, and gold Merry Christmas. I thought those would be fun they could be for packages, but they also could be for my December daily in my traveler's notebook. I also got this stuff from Echo Park. So these 3 things are from the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas collection, and then these are from A Perfect Christmas by Lori Whitlock. They had other bows and they did have other brads, but they weren't going to work for me. I don't actually use brads a lot. I just really liked these circular things. These really big bulky things aren't going to work for me, but the chipboard pieces is what I wanted off of this. So I got a few, I got a selection, and if you go, you can probably see different ones of those. So I did buy 2 of that alpha. So I got the alpha that goes with this, which is a taller, more skinnier letter, $1.49. And then I bought 2 of these, which are also $1.49. You can always use these alpha letters, especially in December daily and December projects. So that's why I got 2 of those. And these decorative brads, so there's 34 brads for $1.99, normally $5.99, so that is a great bargain there. And then these bows, and as I said, they had other brads as well as other decorative bows, but there's only so many bows one really needs, and those were also $1.49, which I thought was a great deal. I also got these stickers for that new price of $2.19. This goes with the Pebbles Christmas collection, 4th of July collection, and Bandana is the name of those stickers. So the different blues, the red and the white. And then for ephemera pieces collections, I got from American Crafts, this is Joyful for $1.99, and that is what's in there. So some oversized ornaments, some tags, some candy, a wreath, and a couple of houses. So that's that. And then from Project Life for $1.49, this is from the Explore die cut shapes, and those are all of the different shapes that are in there, and you can see they're gold foil, some of them. So Make Every Moment Count, some phrase bubbles, some clouds, and some other sort of outdoorsy kind of things there. And then I got Amy Tan, or Amy Tangerine. So this is some ephemera of hers for $1.49. Some fun summer bits, flamingos, pineapples. So just some fun things. And then last but not least, from Snow and Cocoa, there's 10 die cut pieces in this. So these are chipboard dies, and you've got snowflakes, Wonderland, Burr, Cold, and Snow. And so there's probably 2 of each in there, although I'm not quite sure. I think the Burr, so the 10 pieces is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is how that's going to play out. So Snow is 4 pieces, Burr is 2 pieces, and those are wood veneer. Actually, let me open them and show them to you, because I'm sure you probably want to see what exactly that looks like. So yeah, so we've got the W for Snow, Cold, let's put Snow together, Snow, and then Burr, and then Wonderland, and snowflakes. So that's my Tuesday morning haul. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping in today. Take care.